To simplify the square root of 52, my first step is to factor the number underneath the radical, in this case 52. So let's do that. To factor 52, I have to create a prime factorization tree. That is a tree that will show me how 52 gets broken down into its factors. And there it is. So I can see that 52 breaks down into 2 times 26, and 26 further breaks down into 2 times 13. And I can't break it down any further because 2 and 13 are both prime numbers. So I know that the prime factors of 52 are 2 times 2 times 13. Now that I have those factors, what I can do is I can use them to rewrite my original expression using those factors. So I can say that the square root of 52 is equal to the square root of the product of its factors. In this case, 2 times 2 times 3. My next step is to circle any like pairs I see. And I see that right there is a pair of 2's, so I'm going to circle them. My next step is to cross out the pairs and move them outside the radical. So there's my expression. I'm going to cross out the 2's, and I'm going to move that outside the radical. My final step is to multiply the terms outside and inside the radical. But in this particular case, I don't have to do that, because outside, I just have a 2. There's nothing for it to multiply. Inside, I just have a 13. Again, nothing to multiply since that pair of 2's has been crossed out. So my final answer is simply 2 radical 13. And there's no way to simplify that any further.